At VOLTER, precision is not just a feature, it is a principle embedded into every machine we build. Our CNC routers are engineered for consistent, high-quality results across a wide range of industries day after day. Today, we are presenting one of our intelligent options, the IP camera system. It is designed to provide automatic correction when cutting printed materials, detecting even minor shifts in position. This technology is ideal for companies specializing in signage, exhibition graphics, branded displays, and other printed applications where precise alignment is critical. As the camera moves across the sheet, it scans registration marks, small black points placed around the printed design. Using these marks, the machine instantly adjusts the cutting path to match the material's actual placement, whether it is rotated, offset, or slightly skewed. Here we can see a real example. The material is not perfectly aligned. It lies with a slight deviation from the intended axis. Yet with the IP camera, this is not a problem. There is no need to measure or reposition manually. Simply place the material on the vacuum table, fix it with vacuum hold down, and the system will automatically compensate for any inaccuracies. In this demonstration, we are working with 5 mm thick plastic, a typical choice for printed displays and signage. Once the system confirms the position, the cutting process begins. The powerful HITECO spindle follows the programmed contour with precision, cutting smoothly around the image with a defined offset to protect the printed surface. Throughout the cutting operation, the vacuum table, the sheet remains firmly in place, preventing any shift or distortion. Thanks to the automatic correction, every movement of the tool is exactly where it should be, and the final result matches the original layout without the need for test runs or manual correction. Perfect from the first pass, saving time, reducing waste, and ensuring production consistency. As the job is completed, the finished panel is revealed, clean, sharp, and perfectly aligned to the print. No distortion, no misplacement. Simply precise finishing, exactly as intended. This is the standard that VOLTER delivers, technology that simplifies complex operations and guarantees quality with every cut. VOLTER, engineered in Europe, trusted worldwide, built for results.